Every system in the world runs on a language, but this one is the closest thing to controlling reality through code. In this digital world, everything you see is being built in real time: buildings, apps, AI systems, websites, all marked with a single symbol: Python. Python is not just a programming language, it is a way to instruct machines how to think, respond, and execute actions. In 1991, a developer named Guido van Rossum created Python, starting as a simple project with a clear goal: to make programming easier and more readable. From that moment, it grew into one of the most powerful technologies in the world. Before Python, programming was complex, rigid, and difficult to understand. Python changed that by making code simple, readable, and closer to human language, allowing developers to build powerful systems with fewer lines of code. Today, Python silently powers massive real-world systems, artificial intelligence, websites, automation tools, data science platforms, banking security systems, and recommendation engines. Most of the technology you use every day is running Python in the background. Its scope is everywhere: artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, web development, automation, and cybersecurity. It is no longer just a skill to learn, it has become part of modern infrastructure. Python's strength lies in its simplicity, easy learning curve, interpreted execution, massive library support, and cross-platform compatibility. It is designed for speed of thought, turning ideas into working systems quickly. From Instagram analyzing user behavior, to YouTube recommending videos, to AI systems processing human language, to banks detecting fraud, Python is silently running behind the scenes everywhere. If something is intelligent in today's digital world, Python is usually behind it. And the next step is where everything begins: variables, the first way to control the system.